Hi guys, my name is Ayla and welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a simple pink eye makeup look today. What I'm going to do is it's sort of like a recreation of Emma's Rectangle's e-girl look. She has like pink and a winged line and a little heart underneath. But I'm going to do my own version without the heart and probably go a little bit deeper with the pinks. In the liner maybe. I'm not quite sure, I'll just see what it looks like. So I'm going to be using the Patricia Bright Rich and Light palette for this makeup look. I'm going to go straight into Superwoman. Does anyone know what an e-girl is? Because I don't. I feel like I'm so old and I'm so behind on everything. As you can see, I'm just packing it on there. I'm going to smoke it out in a little bit, but I'm just going to do the other eyes. Okay, so it kind of looks a bit crazy right now, but I promise you I'm going to blend it all out and it's going to look really good at the end. And I'm going to take the colour Try Me, it's a little orange colour. So I'm just taking a Molly O'Brien Shar brush just to blend the Try Me colour into the Superwoman colour. Just so it looks seamless. This is the first time using this brush and it's actually really nice. So I'm just mimicking that shape onto the other eye using the same colour. So I'm just taking the pink further up because I want the pink to be the main focus, I don't want the orange to be. So I'm just taking the Naked Cherry palette brush and packing on the colour Superwoman again, just so I can deepen that pink. This is probably the messiest look I've done in a while. I say that this is the messiest look in a while, however there is absolutely no fallout on these eyeshadows whatsoever. I can't fault it. But yeah, as you can see I'm still just blending out that pink shade just so that it can look seamless at the end. I'm going to just take the Peaches and Cream PC38 brush, which is a small fluffy pencil brush. I'm just taking that underneath the eye, on the lower lash line, sorry. I'll sing it louder, 'cause I'm in power. I'll sing it louder now. I'll sing it louder now. I'll sing it. Then I think I'll take the orange Try Me. So not all the way in, but just halfway in. So what I'm doing here is I'm just taking the Superwoman colour and putting it on the waterline, just so I can carry on the pink throughout the eye look. Prior to putting the eyeshadow on, I did use a nude eyeliner just to prime the waterline. I don't know if it made a difference, but yeah, I think it still looks nice.
So I've used matte shades throughout the look so far, and I wanted to add a little bit of sparkle and a bit of something extra to the look, so I took the shade Perfection from the Rich and Life palette, which is a foil consistency, and I took that onto the inner corner of the eye and slightly on the lid. And I took a Revolution limited edition flat shader brush just to apply that shade. So quickly moving on to the face, I'm using MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC5 and a Tarte Beauty Blender. It is a damp beauty blender, just to apply this foundation. So I'm just using the Revolution Ultra Contour palette to bronze and contour, using the Peaches and Cream Small Angles brush and Real Techniques powder brush, just to blend that in there. And I'm using a Real Techniques eyeshadow blending brush just to contour my nose with the same palette. Just wanted to quickly mention that I did actually conceal with e.l.f. Flawless Concealer off camera. I'm just taking a Real Techniques blush brush and the Benefit blusher. Can't remember the name of it, but I'll link it in the description box. And I'm using the Revolution X Soft palette just to highlight the high points of my face, using the Peaches and Cream highlighter brush.
So I've done the face makeup. I'm just gonna put some mascara on. I'm gonna be using the Kiko Cosmetics Extra Sculpt in Waterproof. And I've just curled up my eyelashes. So I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Exaggerate in East End Snob lip liner. Just gonna line the lips. Be taking Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk and put that over the top. I'm going to top it off with a Ted Baker lipstick gloss type colour, and that is just a nude in the middle.
So I'm just using the Peaches and Cream lip gloss in Girl Talk. I didn't actually show the product on camera. I thought I did, so I do apologise. But yes, I did apply that using a Studio London brush and my finger to blend that in. And finishing the look with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray.
So this is the finished makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed the video today, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!